Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to check for your Wi-Fi password on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains the Windows 11, and of course if you are a Windows 10 user you can just go into your PC and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. When you do that you can actually run the installation on the background of your PC if you want to keep using your PC in the meanwhile. Of course, that will maybe let your PC a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem. Especially if you have a good PC, you will not even notice the difference. Of course, once the download or installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you will find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any files for you, so don't worry about that. It will not delete any files or apps. It will just change Windows 10 into 11. Of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want if you're facing some problems, which is not most likely to happen. Or if you just like the Windows 10, but I bet you will like Windows 11 when you get used to it. So as we said, is we would like to check our Wi-Fi password. So of course, there's two options. The first option is just to go into your settings. And of course, once you're here, make sure to go into this network and internet. For me, I'm actually using just the Ethernet cable, so I cannot show you how exactly you can do it. But for you, of course, once you are at this network and internet and the network sharing center, you will have just to select the Wi-Fi network. Of course, you will have even a Wi-Fi option here. You can just go and click at your Wi-Fi network name, and of course, in the Wi-Fi statue, you can select the wireless properties, and in the wireless network properties, you can select the security tab, then select to show the characters checkbox. And of course, your Wi-Fi password will be displayed on your screen. Of course, the second option is using the command prompt or the CMD. You can just go and open it, and simply you can just go and type this out. Just type, let's say, NETSH space WLAN space show space profile name, and sorry, it should be a space name, and of course here you have to write equal and then just same or type the name of it or the name of your profile. This is an example for me, it's test. Here space key equal and clear. And now when you hit the enter button, that should actually appear or appear your Wi-Fi code, especially if you are connecting to a Wi-Fi. As I said, I'm not, and normally it will be it. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys again for watching. Goodbye.